I'll be showing you how you can delete or disband your guild in solo leveling Arise. Well, the first step that you have to do is to find this NPC, which is GN. And just head here and then click the R button. So this NPC will redirect you into your guild's page. So how to disband your guild or delete it? Just click GN again, then head to Guidl Management. Then as you can see, there are a series of tabs to choose from. And when you scroll a little, you will notice this disband guild. So just click this, and then click the disband guild here. So if you have decided to finally delete your guild or disband this guild, just click the disband guild button here. Basically, that's how you can delete this guild or disband it. But first, make sure that team members of your guild has been reminded of this deletion or disbandment of your guild. And that's how you can disband or delete your guild in solo leveling Arise, and thank you for listening.